Right, I'm doing another review. Ciao tutti, ¿cómo state tutti? Hi everyone, how are you all? Hola todos, ¿cómo están todos? I'm doing a review on Chanel. I believe this might be a necklace, but let's double check. Take this out. This one's stuck. It's stuck on there. Let's see. Oh, there we go. It looks like they actually put it on right this time. All right. Very pretty. This is really beautiful. It's like soft, kind of velvety feeling. Open it up, open it up, open it up. Let's see. Oh, here it is. Wow. Oh, this is really beautiful. It looks like this is the golden black long necklace, 22C. And it's like a little locket. So here we go. First one. Let's look at it closer there. Very nice, shiny. Now the other side. The other side. Open it up, and there's like a little area there for storing, I don't know, medication, maybe something, feather, I don't know, whatever your heart desires. Let's see what it looks like on. Okay, so here it is. It looks great. I like the way it looks on. Ooh, very shiny. Not very heavy. It's pretty nice. I like the look of it. Anyway, I'm not gonna open it again. Alright tutti, ciao tutti, hasta luego todos, auf Wiedersehen, tschüss, au revoir, bonsoir, hasta luego. Okay, bye.